This one's all about trousers. Hello, and welcome to the reintroduction of you. On this channel, specifically for 2023, I am overhauling my closet and really just trying to refill and rebuild my closet with workhorses, things that are going to stand the test of time, not so much leaning into trends, but trying to find things that will take you through many reasons for many seasons. So if this is something that you're interested in, I just ask that you not only sit back, relax, and enjoy, but that you also like, subscribe, and comment below. So as the introduction said, I am actually going to be doing trousers. So to me, trousers were really important because they are really functional. You can wear them to work, you can wear them out for your casual, affairs, and you can also kind of dress them down and wear them just to run errands if you so choose. So I bought lots of trousers. I actually think I have 6 pairs here, and I bought different colors, and actually I have 2 of them that aren't shown here. I kind of went a little crazy, but I tried to style them up in a way that really would show that they really have quite a bit of versatility. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get started here. You'll see here's these red express trouser pants. I am absolutely in love with these trouser pants, and they release these in a lot of colors, and I'm gonna keep my eye out for more colors. Right now they're doing the springy colors like orange, yellow, pink, lavender, but I just really love these pants. I went ahead and paired it with an off-the-shoulder top from Universal Standard, the T.R.o.Y it's called, which is something they always keep in rotation. And then I also have on a pair of Chucks. Now my Chucks don't have laces in here. I realized that the brand new laces, because I like to have crisp white laces in my white Chucks. I didn't like the laces I had earlier. I just went ahead and got rid of them, and I don't know what I did with my new white laces, but I wanted to wear them with this outfit. So just kind of imagine if it had laces. Red, blue, white, always looks good together, always looks crisp. I am absolutely amazed by Banana Republic. I mean, they're great quality. I've never received anything from Banana Republic that I didn't think was great quality. Even if I didn't necessarily like the item, I couldn't argue with the quality. So this is another place that I was able to get a lot of trousers. What you'll see here is the Banana Republic gray trousers, as well as a white cutoff express tee, and then my Dolce Vita Oxfords. So again, this is something you could wear to work if you're okay with showing your arms. I like the pairing of white, gray, and yellow together, so that's the reason why I have this yellow purse, to kind of give a little extra interest, a pop of color. So I really like this outfit, and I think it turned out well. The next thing that we have here are another pair of the tailored pants from Express, except this time in a really hot pink. I cannot take any credit for this outfit because this is basically me mimicking an outfit that I saw on another YouTuber, but she styled these pants with a white top and a jean jacket. Now I don't have the exact items, but in the mind of, and I just thought, oh my God, that was so cute. So I just basically, and that's how it goes. If you see an outfit somewhere that somebody has on, use what you have to recreate it, or to recreate something like it. It doesn't have to be an exact replica of, but we're all sharing ideas here. Like seriously, even top fashion designers are borrowing from other top fashion designers. So there's nothing wrong with that. Anyway, these pink these pink express pants with this white Universal Standard tank and this jean jacket, and you can use any jean jacket. I've had this jean jacket for probably 16, 17 years. I bought it from Walmart, and it's my fave. It's my go-to, and it needs to be thrown away, but I just can't part with it. It's got holes and, destruction. It's destructed, but I just can't part with it. I can't throw it away. And these gold sandals that I actually just bought today from DSW, and I'll link them. The next thing that we have here is the blue Banana Republic trousers. Again, great quality. And I paired it with a Wild Fang vest. I bought this vest probably 4 years ago. I've only worn it once so far. And I just kind of have trouble styling it, but I was like, oh, maybe this will be cute. So I wore it with that. And of course the gold sandals and this Zara bag, denim bag. Denim is really on trend. My daughter says she liked the denim bag. I actually probably would have went with my Tory Burch bag, but either way it goes, it just adds a little visual interest. I love this Wild Fang vest. I love the plaid and the kind of masculinity that it brings, but also like there's also the cut of the pants is very feminine. So a little masculine, a little feminine. I just really thought this outfit came together really well. So this next outfit, my daughter, who is a total clown, called this mass baptism baddie. You know, sometimes you see like videos or whatever where you have some preacher over in some country and he's gonna baptize like 40 people at a time, and everybody's wearing like cream or white. And I said, I'm a mass baptism baddie. But yeah, so I thought this outfit was really cute. I was actually surprised by myself. I was like, okay, girl, you better come with the you know, but I love this. So these are Banana Republic trousers. It is a Banana Republic cardigan, and then also Dolce Vita boots that I've had for a few years now. But I just really thought this monochromatic look came together really well. I'm not one that typically wears white or cream, so pulling this all together, it just looks so chic and effortless. So I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, especially since it's cut down, giving the boys a look at the girls. But I thought it was cute, and I'm not afraid to show cleavage, leg, back. Even before my surgery, I was not afraid to show cleavage, leg, back, arms, thighs, child. You can have all of the skins, but I love this look, and I can't wait to actually have a reason to wear it somewhere. Okay, now this next look, my daughter called lions, tigers, and bears. She's wrong for that. But I guess the colors just remind her, like, if I was king of the forest. I guess that's what I reminded her of, which in reality it actually kind of does. So I told her to get out of my room when she told me that. But anyway, these are Banana Republic brown trousers. This is an express sweater. And then I have on these Steve Madden, just kind of really easy wedges. And I thought this came together. This feels more like a fall look to me, honestly, but I still think, you know, with the short sleeves and the really thin fabric for the trousers, I mean, I think it would be perfectly fine in the summer, especially with these shoes. I hope that you enjoyed my styling of all of these trousers. I know I kind of went hog wild with buying trousers, but again, I just think that they really are going to serve me well in so many different arenas of my life. So I'm happy that I have an array to pick from now, some neutral colors, some pops of color. Again, those express, I like the Banana Republic trousers, don't get me wrong, I really do. Those are great trousers, and I am definitely going to put those to use. But those express trousers with their pops of color, I just really like those too. So I'm hoping I can get maybe like a really kind of cobalt blue and a purple, like a deep purple, almost like amethyst. And then if I can get my favorite color green, like that really like woo green, I think I would be complete. Maybe yellow. Yellow might be like a sunshine yellow. That might be good too. But anyway, getting ahead of myself. I just really love those trousers, and I could see me just really putting them in my rotation on a regular basis because they are so versatile and can be worn so many ways. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comment suggestions or you want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.